Hi, I will show you how to filter data in bulk merging. After running bulk detection on any rule, you will get some duplicate results. As we can see, they are all not merged. Click on Merge Duplicates, and you will get this window to set up bulk merging. I will choose this option for Fetch XML. I am gonna open Advanced Search and use this filter. City equals Porto. I need to download it. Copy the Fetch XML and paste it in the box. Now, I am ready to run the bulk merging. You can set up all these options as you want. I am gonna leave it as it is. Click on Start Merge and wait for the process to finish. Here, after the process is done, we will get the information if it's successful and merged records informations. The merging is done, and we can see all info about it. Now, let's go back to the duplicate results page. I will refresh it and open it again. As we can see in results page, only 2 records have been merged that have met Fetch XML criteria and merging was successful.